Hello everyone, how are you? So today we're going to continue with the second video of unit number 5. In this part of the unit we're going to be talking about clothes. The goals of this lesson would be to say what clothes you wear, to ask about prices, and say what colors you like. So the first activity we have here, right, is a matching activity. So here we have examples of different items of clothing, right? We have the concepts here and then we have the images. So let's have a look at the concepts and pronunciation. The first one we have is trousers. Pay attention to the use of plural in this case. Trousers. Suit. We don't say suit, we say suit. Bag. Skirt. Skirt. A hat. Blouse. A shirt. Dress. Pullover, which is the same as a sweater. Pullover and sweater are synonyms. A coat. Jeans, in plural again. Jacket. T-shirt. Tie and shoes. So pause the video now and try to complete these gaps with the concepts that you have there. All right? So let's have a look at your answers.
Track 82. A.
Shirt, £26. Pullover, £42.
B.
Tie, £15. Suit, £250.
C. Coat, £100. Trousers, £44. D. Jacket, £99. Blouse, £27. Skirt, £34.50. Bag, £13.99. E.
Hat, £8.95. T-shirt, £10.50. Jeans, £37.
F. Dress, £85. Shoes, £42.
Very good. So next we have a question. So try to classify the words that we already talked about in 3 different categories. Clothes that men usually wear, clothes that women usually wear, and clothes that are worn by both men and women. So today this is not a very common category or way of categorizing clothes, right? But for example, for the second category about women, women usually are the ones who wear skirts, dresses, right? Blouses, yes. And for example, ties and suits are most common between men, but women can also wear suits and ties, right? So maybe try to think about the clothes that you wear, right? If you're a man or if you're a woman, men and women can wear both shoes, pullovers, coats, right? Bags as well, hats, t-shirts, jeans, and trousers. So it is more common to have the same item of clothing for both men and women. Now, pay attention here to the box that we have here. These words are plural. So we have trousers, jeans, right? We don't say a trouser or a jeans. Yes, these are usually used in plural. Now, we can also use a singular if we add the word pair, a pair of trousers, but we have to add the S at the end. A pair of jeans, right? So in this case, we use the singular, but with the plural option there. Trousers and jeans are always written in plural. So, which clothes do you often wear? Try to write 3 different lists. The clothes that you often wear, like most of the time. The clothes that sometimes you wear, right? Occasionally. And the clothes you never wear, right? For example, I never wear hats. I never wear ties either, right? I sometimes wear coats and dresses and skirts, but I often wear jeans or trousers and blouses, right? What about you? Try to write 3 different lists with your own information. Now let's continue. In the next part, we're going to be talking about prices. So, the expression we use to talk about prices or to know the price of an item is the expression how much, right? How much is a W question. So, look at these questions and answers. What words go in the gaps? So, we have how much, and then we're going to use the verb to be. Yes? We're going to use the verb to be to continue the question. So, it is going to change depending on the item we're going to use later. So, for example, in letter A here, we have how much is the skirt? How much is the skirt? Because the skirt is singular, so we're going to say how much is the skirt? So the answer would be using, so we say it is £34.50. How much is the skirt? It is £34.50. Now, in this case, we don't have a singular item, but we have the word trousers that we already know it's in plural, right? So in this case, instead of saying how much is the trousers, we're going to say how much are the trousers. How much are the trousers? And then to respond, we're going to say they are £44. They are £44. The trousers, right, plural, are £44. Very good. Now, look at the clothes on this page. How much are they? Say the prices. So let's go back here, right? And you have the prices on the listening, but try to use the corresponding verb to be in each case. So we can say the shirt is £26. The tie is £15. The trousers are £44. The hat is £8.95. The dress, which ends in an S but it is in singular, right? We say dress and not dresses. The dress is £85 and the shoes are £42. Try to practice using the correct verb to be. Now, let's listen. What is the question? Do the people say the same thing? So let's find out.
Track 83.
How much is a cheap suit in Germany?
Maybe 150 or 200 euros, I don't know.
A cheap suit, I think about 80 euros.
Well, I think a cheap suit is about 100 euros, and a really cheap suit is about 50 euros, but it's not very nice.
Okay, so what is the question? They are asking how much does a cheap suit is, right? How much does it cost? So let's see. We have here the price of the suit is £250. Let's listen again. Is it the same?
Track 83.
How much is a cheap suit in Germany?
Maybe 150 or 200 euros, I don't know.
A cheap suit, I think about 80 euros.
Well, I think a cheap suit is about 100 euros, and a really cheap suit is about 50 euros, but it's not very nice.
Okay, right. So in Germany, suits are a different price. They can go from 50 euros to maybe 100 or 150. How much is a cheap suit in Chile? Do you know that? Okay, very good. Now, work in groups. How much are these in your country? Right, in this case, of course, you're going to be working alone. Try to tell how much is a cheap suit, how much is a cheap pullover, how much is a cheap coat, a t-shirt, a cheap pair of shoes, and a pair of jeans, right? Remember that when we talk about something cheap, that is the opposite of expensive, right? A cheap suit is the opposite of an expensive suit. Try to find out and answer these questions. Now, for the next part, we're going to be talking about colors. So let's see. What colors are the teachers that we have here? Listen and say the words. We have the color red, gray, white, green, black, brown, yellow, and blue. Do you know how to say the colors in English? Let's listen if you are correct.
Track 84.
1. Grey.
2. White.
3. Green.
4. Black.
5. Blue.
6. Brown.
7. Yellow.
8. Red.
Were you correct? Very good. Now, what clothes do you have at home, right? Try to tick the clothes that you have at your home now. Do you have, if you're a man, do you have brown shoes or a blue shirt, a yellow t-shirt, a black suit? And for women, do you have red shoes, a black dress? That's very common, right? A white t-shirt or a green pullover. Try to list the things you have at home using their colors and the name of the item. So let's see. I wear. This is the listening. We're going to listen to Olga, Ben, and Donna. What colors do they like? Write O for Olga, of course, B for Ben, and D for Donna in each case. So let's listen.
Track 85.
Olga.
I often wear black, and at work I often wear black trousers or jeans or a black pullover, so I have a lot of black clothes. I also wear white, and I like bright colors like red and yellow, but I don't like brown and grey. They are not very nice colors.
Ben.
I like brown, I like gray, I like green, and also black. I wear a suit to work every day, and the suits are mostly black and gray. I don't like red or yellow, so I don't have red or yellow clothes.
Donna.
I have a lot of black clothes. I like black. I don't like yellow. I don't have any yellow clothes. I like gray. I like blue and I like white. I like jeans. I have blue jeans, I have black jeans, and I have white jeans.
Okay, so let's start with Olga. Olga says she likes black, right? White as well, yellow and red. Yes, these are the colors that Olga likes. What about Ben? Ben said he likes black, brown, and gray, right? And also green. Very good. And lastly, Donna said she likes blue clothes, right? Black clothes as well, gray and white. Very good. Now, what about you? I like black as well, right? It seems like everyone likes black and white. They're very easy colors to wear, right? I like gray. I don't like brown. I don't like yellow or green, right? Or blue. But I do like red. What about you? What colors do you like to wear? Because, for example, I really like pink in some things, but I don't wear pink clothes. I never wear pink clothes. I like yellow, but I never wear yellow clothes. I sometimes wear red clothes, and I often wear black and white. Try to make similar sentence using your information. Now, when we want to give a negative sentence in English, right? We learned last unit that we use the auxiliary don't, right? For example, I said, I like black clothes, or I don't like black clothes, right? Now, when we're using the subjects, he, she, and it, we're not going to use the same auxiliaries. So, if you pay attention closely here, right, instead of saying he like black clothes, we're going to add an S. He likes black clothes. This is very, very important, right? We're not going to say she like black clothes. We're going to say she likes, right? And this works for he, she, and it, and also for when you use the names of people, right, that refer to these subjects. So you can say he, or you can say my father. My father likes black clothes. Yes, my sister likes black clothes. Maria likes black clothes, right? So all subjects corresponding to these pronouns are going to use the S at the end of the verb. Now, for negation, we're going to change the auxiliary as well, and we're going to use the auxiliary doesn't. He doesn't like black clothes. Pay attention that we're not going to use the S at the end of the verb anymore, but we're only going to be helping with the auxiliary we have here, right? So my father doesn't like black clothes, right? My sister doesn't like yellow clothes. My son doesn't like pink clothes. Yes? So he likes, he doesn't like, right? So now it's time for you to practice. Make the sentences that we have here negative. So from 1 to 6, we have only positive sentences, but write them using negative auxiliaries. Okay, so pause the video now and rewrite the sentences using don't or doesn't. All right? Okay, so let's see. Number 1 would be I don't like red. I don't like red. Number 2, he doesn't like green. He doesn't like green. My mother doesn't wear black. My mother doesn't wear black without the S, right? She doesn't wear blue jeans. She doesn't wear blue jeans. I don't wear a hat. I don't wear a hat. My father wears a tie at work. My father doesn't wear a tie at work, right? My father doesn't wear a tie at work. Very good. So pay attention and delete this when it's necessary. Now, read these sentences again. Are they true? If not, change them. So these are sentences that correspond to the listening we did about Olga, Ben, and Donna. So we're going to listen again and you're going to change the sentences that aren't true. All right? Let's see.
Track 85.
Olga.
I often wear black, and at work I often wear black trousers or jeans or a black pullover, so I have a lot of black clothes. I also wear white, and I like bright colors like red and yellow, but I don't like brown and grey. They are not very nice colors.
Ben.
I like brown, I like gray, I like green, and also black. I wear a suit to work every day, and the suits are mostly black and gray. I don't like red or yellow, so I don't have red or yellow clothes.
Okay, so is number 1 true? Olga often wears black clothes. True, right? So that is correct. Let's see. Number 2, she likes brown clothes. Is that true? No, right? She doesn't like brown clothes. She doesn't like red. Is that true? No, right? She likes red. So we say she likes red. Ben likes gray. True. He wears red clothes. False. He doesn't wear red clothes. He doesn't wear red clothes. He likes yellow. False, right? He doesn't like yellow either. So he doesn't like yellow. Very, very good job. So now, your time to speak. What colors do you wear? Tell your partner or tell me or tell someone in your family or maybe record yourself, right? Say what you like and what you don't like, what you often wear and what you don't wear, right? Now, when we are talking about someone else, maybe you have a sister, a brother, a father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, daughter, son, right? Try to think about someone in your family and describe the clothes that they wear. So, what does she like? She likes red, maybe, or she doesn't like pink, purple. You can use other colors if you want. What he often wears or he doesn't wear. See how the verb changes and the auxiliary as well. All right, so that is the end for today. As always, I'm going to leave you a ton of exercises for you to practice, and don't forget to write me at my email if you have any question. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.